So this is the wood care repair system that we sell in our online shop. It's available on our website. I'll put the link in this video. But this is designed for people like me that do a lot of finishing, that need to get rid of little wormholes, little splits from nature doing its job and growing. So this gun is the BCD 360. It takes the 300mm wax tubes. In the kit it comes with the scraper, the aluminium cooling block, the gun, and a pack of multicolours and a box. It's 240. It basically, you can adjust the temperature. At the moment, for the black to work, it's at 145 degrees centigrade, and it can go up to 230 Celsius, So a lot of manufacturing companies, packaging companies use these glue guns for their cardboard boxes. And I like to say that we now use these in our wood repair systems. So please check back for the other videos and see the finished piece on this Spalted Beach pizza serving board. Remember, the slower you go, the faster you go. Links on the end of this video.